What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. This video, we're going to focus on TweetDeck, why you should be using this as a day trader, swing trader, or an investor in the stock market, and the great features that TweetDeck has. Let's jump into it. So with TweetDeck here, you can see I have multiple columns open. And to add columns, you'd click this plus sign, add column, and you get this little box that pops up. You can add a column that shows all your home feed or a specific user that you follow whenever they post something, a notifications column, a list, collection, what's trending, likes, messages, mentions, followers, scheduled, messages, mentions, and activity. Let's do a trending. So here on the right, the far right, it's a top list of everything that's trending currently on Twitter. So far, the top one is Joe Walsh, world leaders, Obama outdid Trump. So you get the example right here. But this next one over, this user one, if you want to follow one specific user and all their tweets, that's what this column is for. I'm following JTrader, so everything that JTrader posts, it'll pop up right here, and I can go through and see all of his posts in order that he's posted or shared. Another one I have here next is SMB Capital. Same thing. And if you guys haven't seen my video, the best stock market chat room ever, I will leave a link to that in the description down below. Watch that first and then come back to this one. I really show you guys the advantage of having a Twitter account and following top traders and news sources and using Twitter as a tool to help you as a trader and to see what's going on in the markets. It's always good to have multiple eyes in the stock market, guys. So this column is posting everything that SMB Capital posts on their Twitter. The next column, traders, this is a column compiled with many traders that I like to follow, from Clay Trader, Nathan, Timothy Sykes, Roland Wolf, Modern Rock, Deckmar Trades, AT09, Bulls on Wall Street. That way during market hours, if any of these traders tweet about a stock, I can see it instantly right here. And I get to see their many ideas. This next column is dedicated to all news. News is very important in the stock market because when news is released for a specific stock or the overall market, will it affect the market or the stock? Will it have an influence on either? So I have a news column here with Seeking Alpha, Bloomberg, CNBC, Market Watch, The Street. And when any of these news sources put out news, it'll pop up right here. And then the very left column right here is just my home feed. Everything that I follow, from individual people to news sources, hashtags, or stocks. It'll pop up right here, just like my feed, regularly on Twitter. TweetDeck is very, very simple to pick up, learn, and use. I will leave a link in the description of this video to direct you guys right to TweetDeck, and I will also have a link to my personal Twitter so you guys can follow me as well. It's absolutely free, $0. So take advantage of this very useful tool for you guys as a day trader. If you wanted to create your own tweet, go to the top left here where this feather and plus sign is, click that. You could tweet whatever you want, or you could schedule a tweet. All these logos right here are just the open columns that I have. So if I click on this news, it'll highlight this news here and automatically jump it to the top of the feed, just like this trending one. If I click on it, you'll see on the far right, it'll highlight it, just like that. And then if I wanted to open up a new column, I click this add column plus sign, and it'll pop this all up again. If you wanted to tweak with any of these columns, you'd mess with these sliders right here, and you can mess with the filters and tweak it to your liking. And that's about it for TweetDeck. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It lets me know you guys like the content that I am putting out. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders. And until next time, everybody, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?